Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 4th of July, because 4th of July is here, and I'd like to talk to you about some ideas that you can share with your friends and family, or to take to a potluck to make it through this holiday season.
Cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
All right, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger. It is a plant-based burger, and I do realize that it's not, even though it's a plant-based burger, it still doesn't mean it's 100% healthy for you. But I think it is actually a great option for those of you out there that are just transitioning onto a plant-based diet, or those of you that just want to try something different and help our planet along. So if you're as concerned as I am about climate change, I mean, we have kids and I want this place to be here for our kids and for our grandchildren. This is something that you can do that's going to make a huge impact. Instead of buying a beef burger, our beef patties, buy the Beyond Beef from Whole Foods and cook it up. It tastes very much like just a regular hamburger. And there's actually the Impossible Burger is out there too. It's sold all over in different fast food joints. It's not available to the public to buy in grocery stores yet, but I think that's coming. It's coming soon. But these are a great option. And if you have family coming in for the holidays and you really don't want to be cooking meat in your home, this is a great option. And most people can't tell the difference between this and a regular burger. So give it a try. I think you're really going to be happy with what the taste of these burgers. And I also want to say this is not a sponsored video. I have no affiliation with Beyond Burger, but I really am concerned about the climate, and this is something that we can do that will make a great impact on climate change. So let's fry these guys up and then I'll assemble. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to invite you to click the subscribe button and then the little bell notification so that you can get notified every time we put out a new show here on YouTube. Be sure to check out our growing line of printable cookbooks, guides, and apparel. We also offer free and paid memberships on our community website. And last but not least, be sure to head over to our official website at plantbasedcookingshow.com to browse through hundreds of original recipes, tips, and resources on plant-based living. Okay, back to the show. Okay, they're done. Look at that. They're still pink looking. It says on the directions that they're still going to be pink on the inside. Okay, so let's get this going here. So what I'm going to use some of my cream cheese dip. It's like, it's kind of like onion dip, sour cream and chive kind of dip instead of mayo. So you can check out that show. The link to the show will be in the details below. There we go. Now we put this on there. And there's some other recipes of ours that would be great for taking to a potluck. You could take some carrot dogs. You could just take them already cooked in a Tupperware, and then bring your fixings. I mean, usually, it's going to be 4th of July. There's going to be ketchup and mustard and pickles and all of that kind of stuff. So just bring your buns. You can also, I have a great mac and cheese recipe that would be great for taking to potlucks or gatherings. Baked beans, a 7-layer dip. You can also make and bring your own salad dressing if you're concerned about, if you want to eat salad while you're there, but you know that there probably won't be a vegan or plant-based salad dressing. Bring your own, just bring a little container of it. And then for dessert, you can make my amazing chocolate cake or a lemon cake, and you can decorate them up to look very festive with blueberries and strawberries. It would look very, very pretty. All right, so you can't have a burger without ketchup and mustard. So let's just do a little ketchup and mustard there. A little ketchup. Some onion. And some lettuce, some romaine lettuce. Okay, now it's just down to the taste, right? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, potato wedges. These are amazing. This is another one of our recipes that'll be in the details in the link below. Great to go along with your burger. Here we go. Well, that tastes just like burgers that I remember taste like. It has that charred flavor. That's pretty amazing. Pretty darn amazing. So give them a try, guys. Let your families try them out. This is really a great thing that you can do for our climate and our planet and our kids and grandkids. And I'll see you next time.